Hey guys, today we're gonna take a look at Xiaomi Mibox4. It's a Android TV. It's well, we all know who Xiaomi is, but hey, besides what your opinion about it is, I still have one of these, and I've had it for a few years now, and believe me, this one rocks. I use it, well, mostly I watch YouTube, not gonna lie. I don't really use too much Netflix or anything else, but when it comes to YouTube and connecting other speakers and stuff, it really does the job good. And yes, we are in 2023, so this one has a few years on it, and yes, it plays up to 4K. This is the audio output on the ports that we're talking about now. HDMI output, USB input, power, and absolutely nothing else. And on the back, there's the name of it, Xiaomi Mi Box. That's the model number right there, MDZ-22-AB, and made in China, obviously. The build quality is actually really good. I'm surprised by the build quality of this device. And this is the remote that comes with it. It's a Bluetooth remote, not just the ones that have their own frequencies. I actually can use this remote for other devices too. And yes, I used it a few times on my Nvidia Shield, and yes, it works. It takes two AAA regular batteries and has these buttons, volume up and down. I like this placement here. Netflix button. There's apps that you can download to remap these buttons. This is supposed to be live TV, apps, back button, main menu, assistant, and off and on. So now, without wasting any time more than we're doing, let's connect it. Let's see what this is all about in reality and what can it do for us. And I think they're still being sold online. I think they're under $70, sometimes even $30. Depends where you're looking at. And, you know, in the friendly markets, you can find them for $30. I'm just saying, you choose where you shop. Let me plug it in and see the opening story here. Okay, yes, it's picked up by my capture card. Starting screen with a Dolby and all that stuff. And yes, I have this one in the room connected to Samsung speakers, surround sound, and it actually does a great job. Now, it may not be as fast as the Nvidia Shield. Gotta tell you right now, it's not as fast as Nvidia Shield, but it's not as expensive either. And yes, it has a full-fledged Google or Android. Look at, I don't need to point it at it, but I'm just doing it so you guys can see it on camera. There's the remote for it, and here are the apps. Yes, TTV, FX, File Explorer, Google Play Store, Google Movies, and if I had Netflix installed, it would go directly to Netflix. This is the live button, but I don't have the live TV stations installed either. Mostly it's just YouTube and search something quick to watch, and yes, it's gonna be movies and gadgets, and that's it. And I don't know what this is here because I don't really watch politics. That's how it works. And doctors, and looks like a lot of things. And let me just open a video, for example, this one. These are all live. I'm not gonna do a live video. Okay, these are some weird videos, but whatever YouTube is suggesting us. Okay, Gamers Nexus. I'm not sure if that's something I would agree or disagree with. And yes, this is an ad from here, and let me skip it. Yes, as you see, my internet may not be the fastest now, but let me put the quality to 1440 by 60. Oh, 1440 60p, sorry, not by 60. Yes, as you see, the video really changed, and we're gonna get back because I don't want Gamers Nexus to start emailing me because I actually respect them too much to have a problem. So, this is YouTube, and yes, if you go to Google Play, you have a full Play Store, just like you would in any, whatever you call phone or anything running Android OS. And yes, these are apps that are available. You can search for more apps. There's Zumo, Plex, VLC. It's just a full Android. That's all it is. And yes, right now my internet is being way too fast for its own good, but the box itself is actually fast. And this box you can plug in, for example, a USB or a hard drive on the back right here and watch your own movies from it, or videos or photos, whatever you have. And yes, the surround sound and Dolby and all that actually works, and it's true. And besides that, I think that was all I wanted to show you. Well, let me show you something real quick here. At the settings, device preferences, about, and yes, it's running Android 9. Yes, it's an older box. Model is Mibox4. That's what this is. And the Android security patch level update was on July 5th, 2021. Build is just this one here. The rest are just, you can search for system update, but I don't think they update this box anymore. It's up to date, obviously it's gonna say that, because Android doesn't Xiaomi doesn't update this one anymore. And yes, you can get developer options, and I might probably attempt to install something else or a newer version of Android on this box, but that will be a video for another time. For now, I just wanted to bring it to your attention, and if you find one for a couple bucks, it's actually a good device to have at home. It works. I would compare it to Roku when it comes to speed, except I used to like Roku when they let you sideload apps on it, but since they closed that and you can no longer sideload apps and do all that, I kind of got rid of Roku, and I'm just strictly doing Android. Almost any Android box, even the Walmart ones that I have one already, is better than Roku these days. And yes, I'm sorry, I like Roku as much as I can, but I can't like something that locks me up. And with that said, I hope you liked this video, learned something, and found value in it somehow. And please like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. We'll see you next time. Bye!